With over 50 years of experience, FinishMaster is the leading national distributor of paint, coatings, and related materials for the automotive and industrial finishing industries. Their mission is to provide quality products, reliable delivery, and a steadfast commitment to customers and their continued success.
When transitioning to a different paint line, what factors should a collision repair facility consider? We're going to find out next. When converting to a different paint line, collision repair facilities all too often focus on only one thing: price. But there are so many more important factors to consider. One critical factor is choosing the right partner. You want to ensure there is minimal disruption to your operation. Therefore, your partner needs to have a sense of urgency, be quick and efficient, and get you the right products, technical support, and training needed for success. Is the vendor you're considering dedicated to your success? And do they look at the business relationship as a partnership? Can they provide valuable resources to your business besides just selling you paint? Are their dispatch systems and processes up to date, with preparations throughout in advance to give you peace of mind and the smoothest transition possible? Your paint partner should be a trusted resource for your business and be willing to consult on tough and important decisions. They should get you the right products based on your business mix. Have dedicated technicians to help train and prepare you. Be focused on all the details that matter. For example, is your paint room ready, equipped, APL established, and organized for efficiency? Have the best allied products for optimal performance. Have OEM certifications. Choosing the right partner when transitioning paint lines is the most important factor for any collision repair facility with an eye on future success to consider. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.